One, two, three, go.
Hi, we are Digital Consulting Services and we are here to present our solution, FX Go. I'm Rohit.
And I'm Arup. Together we have over 30 years of experience in business and technology consulting. We have been servicing the financial industry for this duration of time, working across geographies, the APAC and Asia and US.
What we are here to offer is a potentially transformative and disruptive solution for the international traveler. The traveler could be a leisure traveler or could be a business traveler.
So what is the problem statement that we are looking at? We are looking at people who have to travel across the globe, people like you and me. We have to travel at different locations and we need currencies that we need to carry for these locations. Imagine if we had to go to a multi-destination trip. You'll have to carry currencies for all those destinations. Isn't that a hassle?
Exactly. Not only that, no matter which mode you carry those currencies or make the transactions are costly because the international credit card charges anything between 1.5 to 3% for each transaction. If you want to carry physical cash, it will go to a money changer. A money changer will offer you rates which are absolutely ridiculous. And depending upon the location where you buy it from or your urgency, it can be a significant cost for you. Not only that, if you carry a significant amount of physical cash, there is a risk associated with it getting stolen or misplaced. Moreover, do you have anything that tracks your expenses? I don't think so.
What we are offering here is a stored value card which can hold multiple currencies. Imagine that. All of your currencies in a single device. Isn't that beautiful? At the same time, we are able to, you can change your currencies on the fly. You would be able to get the best exchange rates for your currency change. At the same time, you would also be able to keep a track of all your transactions, and also this would be run through a near field communicator with a biometric device solution.
Excellent. So it's convenient, it's risk-free, and not only that, it costs you less. It costs you a lot less than what your international credit card charges you, or a lot less than what a money changer can offer you. Not only that, it is secure, as Arup said. We're going to offer the best level of security for such kind of devices. Moreover, it also gives you the reports and tracking mechanism. You can set limits on the type of expenses, on type of currencies. You can interchange between currencies.
Isn't that got you excited? Why don't you contact us, and we look forward to hearing from you more. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you very much.
2 minutes 32 seconds. This was a good
Brilliant, yeah. I hope this has gone through.